Now we are discussing about the least squares method to fit a straight line. How to derive. First, we can take the set of data points. Those are in the form of xi comma yi for I equal to 1, 2, 3, so on m. Suppose the curve is equal to y is equal to f of x is fitted in the data. Somewhat they have given the data. In the data the curve is fitted. Let us observe the values of x equal to xi is yi. That is nothing but we can substitute in the place of xi, we are getting yi is equal to f of xi, and the corresponding values of the curves f of xi is equal to yi. And in this, let ei, it is the error of approximation. It is the error of approximation at x equal to xi. Now we have the equations. EI means error. Error means the actual value minus the functional value. That is yi minus f of xi. So we can consider the sum of all each and every corresponding value of x. We get the error, that is s is equal to y1 minus f of x1 whole square plus y2 minus f of x2 whole square plus so on plus ym minus f of xm whole square. This method is the least squares consisting of minimizing s. This is the this is called consisting of minimize minimizing s of least squares. Or simply by the they are asking least squares. If they are asking the explain method of fit a line by least squares, explain the method of fit a curve or fit a line by least squares. Line is nothing but we know that line f y equal to f of x, it is in the form of a plus bx form. So when they are asking explain about the least squares method of the straight line, means first we can take the point and the I values, we can take I1 to m. The function is or the curve equation is y equal to f of x. In that the corresponding x values we are getting the y values. There some error approximation is there, then there some error is there. That error value is ei equal to yi is equal to f of xi. The sum of all error values, it can be defined as yi minus f of xi whole square. This is called the least squares of consisting minimizing s. This is called consisting least squares of consisting minimizing s. Now we can take the derivation of the straight line. That is the derive fitting a straight line. Derive the fitting a straight line by the method of the least squares, means first we can take the straight line equation, that is y equal to a plus bx form. This is the be the curve in straight line form. Okay, then S becomes what they are taking, y1 minus f of x1. What is f of x1? Y is equal to f of x is equal to a plus bx. So we can take the values of corresponding values of xi. Here y is equal to f of x equal to a plus bx means for x equal to, for xi equal to, for xi values yi is equal to f of xi for I equal to 1 to m. These are substitute in above y1 minus a plus bx1 whole square plus y2 minus a plus bx2 whole square plus so on plus ym minus a plus bxm whole square. Let it be equation 1. Equation 1 is differentiating with respect to constants, with respect to A constant and B constant. Dou S by dou A, that is partial derivative. So dou S by dou A equal to 2 into y1 minus A plus bx1 into A derivative is 1. So it is 1 only. It will come 1. Next. And here taking dou by dou A of y1 minus A plus into minus minus bx1. The derivative, these two are y1 and bx1 are treating as a constant, then dou A by dou A equal to, it is minus 1. So here it will come minus 1. Minus 2 into y1 minus of a plus bx1. In the same way, in all terms, we are differentiating this term. We get minus 1. In the last also, we get minus 1. So directly we can write minus 2 into y2 minus a plus bx2. Again, differentiation of this all. These two are get reduced to 0 and minus a differentiation is minus 1. Plus of so on minus 2 ym minus of a plus bxm. This is the equation 2. Next one more, dou s by dou b is equal to 2 minus 2. This is also minus or 2 y1 minus of a plus bx1. Again derivative of dou by dou b of y1 minus a minus bx1 is equal to differentiation of minus bx1. These will reduce to 0. Minus bx1 is nothing but that is minus x1. So here 2 is there and here minus x1 will come, that is minus 2x1. In the similar way, minus 2x2 into y2 minus a plus bx2 minus so on minus 2 ym minus of a plus here xm 2xm minus 2 xm ym minus of a plus bxm. It is equation 3. Now we can simplify these equations. We get by taking off dou s by dou a is equal to 0, dou s by dou b equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. We are taking then equation 2 and equation 3. Simplify. Then simplify the above equations. Then minus 2y1 minus into minus plus. Here minus 2y1 plus 2 into a plus bx1 minus 2y2 plus 2 into a plus bx2 plus so on minus 2ym plus 2 into a plus b xm is equal to 0. So these are in all terms 2 is get cancelled. A plus b x1 plus a plus b x2 plus so on plus a plus b x m is equal to y1 plus y2 plus so on plus ym. It can be written as A. How many A's are there? M into A plus B into x1 plus x2 plus so on plus xm equal to y1 plus y2 plus so on plus ym. It can be written as MA plus B into summation I equal to 1 to M xi equal to summation I equal to 1 to M yi. It is the fifth equation. This is the one of the normal form. And we can take this is also in the another equation. Here we are taking 2 is taking to right side, it will be get cancelled. So x1 y1 minus into minus x1 y1 minus into minus plus x1 into a plus b x1 minus x2 y2 minus into minus plus x2 into a plus b x2 plus so on minus xm ym minus into minus plus xm into a plus b xm is equal to 0. So here the negative terms taking to right side, then we are multiplying with x1 of the all terms, a x1 plus b x1 square plus a x2 plus b x2 square plus so on plus axm plus bxm square equal to negative terms taking to right side x1 y1 plus x2 y2 plus so on plus xm ym. So in this a is taking common, the remaining terms are x1 plus x2 plus so on plus xm plus b is taking common x1 square plus x2 square plus so on plus xm square is equal to x1 y1 plus x2 y2 plus so on plus xm ym. So we can write it as a summation I equal to 1 to m xi plus b summation I equal to 1 to m xi square is equal to summation I equal to 1 to m xi yi. It is the equation 6. So we can write it as normal form. These equations are called as normal form. Therefore, the normal equations are MA plus B summation I equal to 1 to M xi is equal to summation I equal to 1 to M yi, and A summation I equal to 1 to M xi plus B summation I equal to 1 to M xi square equal to summation I equal to 1 to M xi yi. Okay. By the data, we can calculate the values of summation I equal to 1 to M xi, summation I equal to 1 to M yi, summation I equal to 1 to M xi yi, summation I equal to 1 to M xi square. From the data, we can calculate these values and we can substitute the set of equations of equation 7 and solving them we get small e and small b values. Then these values substitute in the fit a curve y equal to a plus bx. Then that is the required equation or required curve to fit by the method of the least squares from the given data.